Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Spencer Kuiper here with Teacher Technology, and I'd like to share with you a tool that I believe will be really helpful moving forward with our home learning initiative with building school culture or classroom culture, but from far away and distance. And that tool is FlipGrid. Now, when I was a classroom teacher, I used FlipGrid quite a bit for various different things like sharing student stories all the way down to assessment as well. And so FlipGrid is a platform that will allow you to share pre-recorded videos with students and then also have students submit pre-recorded videos back to you and to each other. So it's a pretty powerful tool. What we're going to do is we're going to show you guys first how to sign up. First off, you're going to go here to info.flipgrid.com, or you can just Google FlipGrid, and it's the first option that pops up. After we navigate to the main landing page, we're then going to head over to Educator Signup. Now, when we do that, what we want to do is we want to make sure that we click that Sign Up with Google option, and you are using your Caddo login credentials. So we're going to click Sign Up with Google. And then you're going to connect it to your professional Caddo account. At that point, it's going to ask you some basic information. Go ahead and fill out that information that is relevant to us, whatever grade level that you're teaching. I'm going to go ahead and just add my information in here real quick. So that way you guys can kind of see what the teacher dashboard looks like. So after you input all of your information into that, the main grid is going to pop up. Close that out, and we're going to keep going. And it's going to ask you to, let's go ahead and make a grid. And so, for example, if I wanted to make a grid called Tech Tips, or if you wanted to name it your class, so second grade, Mrs. Hanson, whatever you would like to name it, just go ahead and name it there. And if you would like students to use their school email, which you are able to, you are then just going to click the school email option. And that's all for really the customization that we need to go through right now. And we're good to go. Now, it could be that because student emails are different than staff emails, you need to connect to the proper extension. So the extension for student accounts is going to be at my.caddoschools.org. Let's enter to add domain. And then that is exactly what we need. We're going to click next. And we have now created a grid. Now this grid code right here, where you can see you can just copy it, push it directly to Google Classroom if you would like. You can post that to your Google Classrooms. And one thing that I think that would be a really cool idea is if we did some maybe social emotional learning checks on our students. Maybe their task each day was just kind of like reflect on their day prior to, just to kind of, so that way teachers know how their students are doing. So maybe it's just like a reflection journal type setup. We're going to go ahead and click Go to Grid. And then right here, I'm going to share a topic. Now the link is going to take students directly to here. When I click Add a Topic, I can maybe add a reflection journal. I myself can record a video if I would like. But really, I'm just going to add a topic. Right here, it is going to ask you to toggle the record time. You can make it a minimum of 15 seconds, but all the way up to 5 minutes. I always set my defaults just to 5 minutes, just so that it doesn't cut students off. And then I'm going to create topic. Adding a prompt. How was your day? Okay. Mark. And create topic. And now the topic is ready. And so if I wanted to add this to our Google Classroom, I can add this specific grid code right here if I wanted to. Click Share to Google Classroom or just click Copy. And then I can carry this over to Google Classroom. What's going to happen, and as a teacher, I would just go ahead and click Record a Response just to kind of get things kicked off. And then from there, you can have students respond via Chromebooks or iPads, whatever devices they have, and then they can send video responses back to you. This is great for reflections, great for student engagement, great for social emotional learning, and also great if students or parents have questions. So feel free to add FlipGrid to your list of tools, and good luck. Thanks.